Hello everybody, I am Srividya Subramaniam. Today I am here to discuss the right choice after 12th for commerce students. How to choose the right course after 12th? I am going to give you some of the 5 important tips to choose the right course. First, identify your interest and career goals and think about it to find a relevant course. Next, check the syllabus and subjects you will have to study during the course. These subjects should be of your interest. Research about the career scope and growth in that course and check for the best colleges for commerce, their course duration and fees, and also search for the eligibility of the course. Research the admission process for a course. If there is any entrance examination, analyze the syllabus and start preparing for the entrance examination. So, we can divide course after 12th for commerce students in 3 categories. First is professional course. Those are CA, CS and CMA. Top courses after 12th in the regular college may be BCom, BCom Honors, BMS and so on. Courses after 12th without mathematics are BBA, BMS, BBS, BCom, LLB. Now let's start one by one. First is BCom General. This is of 3 years course. It comprises the study of the financial accounting, corporate tax, economics, company law, business management and etc. This course can be pursued in the regular and also in the correspondence by the commerce stream students after their 12th standard. So what type of job you can expect after BCommerce? In private sector, they have opportunity to be an accountant, financial analyst, account executive, junior accountant, business executive and so on. Candidates can also appear in the government exams such as IBPS PO, IBPS clerk, SBI PO, RBI to get a job in bank. Second one is BCom Honors. This is also undergraduate course for 3 years. It is the second most pursued course among the courses after 12th. There is a difference between the courses BCom and BCom Honors. In BCom, you will be taught main subjects and elective subjects. But in BCom Honors, student will have the option to choose a specialization in a subject or field. You can study in depth in a subject or any field. Candidates who want to make a career in a particular field such as accountancy, finance, management should go for BCom Honors. It is one of the reputed course which you can take up. So once you finish your BCom Honors, you can expect the job as finance officer, tax consultant, sales analyst, junior analyst or business development trainee, etc. And the government sector is also open for BCom honor candidates. Next, BBA. This is for 3 years. This is about business related fields. Finance, human resource, banking, insurance, marketing, information technology, communication, all these, media management, all these can be learned in this course. So the opportunities, career opportunities after BBA is you can become a human resource executive, financial analyst, marketing executive, marketing manager, operation team leader, business development executive, sales executive and so on. We also have BBA Honors. The key difference is that it is subject specific. Hence, Students can choose a specialization. It provides knowledge about the management of business operations. Next comes Bachelor of Management Studies. This course incorporates the advanced study of the management practices, including team building qualities, organizing, problem solving. This is also of 3 years. Anybody who wants to get into the management profession can opt for this. You can have the opportunities like you can become a quality specialist, business development manager, assistant manager, HR executive, and so on. Next comes as Bachelor in Business Studies. This is also 3-year undergraduate program which consists of the study of accountancy, organizational studies and economics. It is also considered as the best management course after 12th. This will help you to develop their intellectual and interpersonal skills. See, after completion of PBS, you have various job opportunities such as marketing executive, associate in an investment banking, research analyst, marketing manager and many more. Next comes as BCom LLB. This is a 5 years integrated course after 12th, which can be pursued by any stream student. See, this BCom LLB admissions are done on the basis of the BCom LLB entrance examinations and whatever the marks obtained by a candidate in class 12. Either you have to enter the CLAT exams or state level law entrance tests. So after you complete BCom LLB, you have various job opportunities rather than becoming a just lawyer or advocate. You can make your own career as a legal advisor, public prosecutor. You also can become a lecturer, a legal manager, legal services chief and so on. Next comes is CA, Chartered Accountant of India. Here you need to do online registration with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI. This is a prestigious course with a duration of 5 years to make a business career. This is one of the job-oriented program. So to become CA, one must have to follow these following steps. Okay. First, you need to register with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, which we call it as ICAI. Once you do the registration, you will have to appear the CPT, which is called as Common Proficiency Test. After you clear this, the next step will be you have to be appearing for IPCC, Integrated Professional Competency course. Then you will go for articleship training under practicing CA. Then final exam of CA will be conducted and after clearing it, you will become CA, Chartered Accountant. Next comes CS. This is also one of the prestigious posts in a company to handle the legal activities of a firm. This examination is held by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, that is ICSI. You will have to go through 3 stages: foundation, executive and professional program. There are numerous job opportunities for CS in private sectors. Next comes Cost and Management Accountant, CMA. This course is of 5 years, which is where you have to register under the Institute of Cost Accountant of India, or we call it as ICWAI. To be precise, CMA is the underestimated course in India. However, it has vast job opportunities around the globe. So if you are looking for the best course, this is one of the best course, CMA. you will have to qualify the ICWA to become the cost and management accountant. So you have to register, as I told you, to the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, or ICWAI. So after this you have to go through the 3 stages: foundation, intermediate and final course. So the job positions you can expect after CMAs: finance director, managing director, cost control, chief auditor, cost accountant, and so on. So apart from these famous and prestigious courses, you can also pursue BCA or Bachelor of Computer Applications, or Bachelor of Hotel Management, Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication, and so on. So whatever the courses I have mentioned here are the top courses which are available for you to have the bright career after 12th for commerce students. For any doubts or to know more about the professional course or the other courses, you can contact us on suchinta1.19@gmail.com or contact us on this number 9590231544. Thank you students. Hope this video is helpful to you. I will meet you in my next video taking up what after 12th for science students. Thanks again.